Jai Shri Gurudev, welcome back to my YouTube channel Janasnehi Edu Help Desk. It's me Ravian, Assistant Professor working in Department of MCom, BGS IMS, Chikkaballapur. Dear students, in the previous video I have explained one problem under fire insurance claims. In this video I am going to explain the same concept but with a different problem, a different question. Okay. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and comment to each and every video that I have uploaded in the YouTube, and like, share with your friends and colleagues. Your comments and your share and like will motivate me to upload more and more videos. Thank you all. Let me start with the question. The question is like this. A large portion of the records and stock of a trading concern was lost due to fire accident on 15/7/2020. So here on 15/7/2020, due to a fire accident, a portion of records and stock of one particular trading concern is being destroyed. They lost even records and stock. Later, goods worth rupees 8,000 and some records were salvaged from the fire. So it is given like 8,000 rupees worth goods and some sort of records or books of accounts is been salvaged in that fire accident. So that 8,000 can be considered as salvaged goods. Okay, salvaged goods should be considered while calculating actual loss of stock. It should be deducted from the stock on date of fire. And then the following details are available from these records. So some information is available to us, the two from the saved records or salvaged records. So that information is, so here this question is like sales and gross profit is given for the past few years. If sales and gross profit is given for the past few years, how to find out claim amount? So that is the case. That is how we can go with in this video. Okay, so how to solve or how to claim amount or insurance claim whenever the sales and gross profit is given for the past few years. See, if gross profit ratio is given, no worries. We don't want to go with the preparation of trading account, and we don't want to go with the calculation of rate of gross profit if gross profit ratio is given in the question. If in case gross profit ratio is not given but gross profit is given for the previous year, so then we don't want to prepare trading account, we can straight away calculate gross profit ratio. But in this question they have mentioned sales and gross profit for the past few years, so that it is very clear. Based on this gross profit and sales, we have to calculate gross profit ratio for the past few years. The two for the past 5 years or 5 preceding previous years. Based on that gross profit ratio, we can take into consideration an average gross profit ratio. After computing the rate of gross profit for the past 5 years, then we need to find out average gross profit ratio. So by that we can go with memorandum of trading account. And sales for the 15/16 is given, 16/17, 17/18, 18/19 and 19/20 is given. Even gross profit also for the same past 5 years is given. And next information, on 31/3/2020, the stock was valued at rupees 97,000. 31st 3 2020. So this is the previous year. How you consider that is the previous year? Because 15/7/2020 is the fire accident date. For that date, 31st 3 2020 is the previous year ending. Okay, so whatever the stock there at end of the accounting year, that should be considered as closing stock. So that 31st 3 2020 is the ending date of the previous year, and stock was valued rupees 97,000, and that amount should be considered as a closing stock for the previous year. See, in other way, that same 97,000 rupees also considered as opening stock for the present year, the two for 1/4/2020. For 1/4/2020, that 97,000 rupees is considered to be as opening stock. So they are not given like opening stock or closing stock. Just they have mentioned date 31st 3 2020. Actually, in this question, we don't want to prepare a trading account. So, but they have given trading account related information. That is, a closing stock is given. So, we don't want that amount or that date. We are not preparing trading account. But the same amount should be considered as opening stock for the present year, because last year's closing stock will becomes opening stock for the present year. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. And next information, from 1/4/2020 to the date of fire, purchases, sales and wages were 75,000, 1,59,000 and rupees 30,000 respectively. See here, so from 1/4/2020 to the date of fire, which means, so in the present year, from beginning date to the date of fire, so they have mentioned some items and amount: purchases, sales and wages, where you have to record these three things: purchases, sales and wages, in the sense, so that amount should be recorded in memorandum of trading account. Why? Because so that is related to present year. So that too from 1/4/2020 to the date of fire. So that amount should be considered and should be recorded in memorandum of trading account wherever it is applicable. Okay. And next, prepare a statement of claim to be submitted to the insurance company. They asked you to prepare a statement which will show you the claim submitted to the insurance company. Okay, so in this problem, so we need to find out the claim amount, that insurance claim amount that can be lodged with insurance company. Hope you understand the question. Very simple. So we have to follow only 4 steps. Okay, so let me go with the answer. Let me explain the answer now. So here is the steps. Okay, as we know, we have 5 steps in each and every fire insurance claim problem. So we need to go with 5 steps. Okay, even if it is applicable or not applicable, so we have to go with step by step, right? Yes. Step number 1 is, as we know, that is preparation of trading account. So in this preparation of trading account, so as I said, for this question, trading account is not required. Not required in this problem. See, preparation of trading account is not required. Why? Because no information is given related to previous year. Only gross profit and sales is given. So we will calculate rate of gross profit. Not a problem. Okay. So that we don't want to go with preparation of trading account. The aim of preparation of trading account is to find out gross profit for the previous year. So in the question itself, they have given gross profit for the previous year. So that we don't want to go with preparation of trading account. Yes. Let me go with the step number 2, that is calculation of rate of gross profit. Calculation of rate of gross profit. So here, in order to find out rate of gross profit, we require sales and gross profit. In the question, 5 preceding previous year information is given, that is sales and gross profit. So by that we can easily calculate rate of gross profit for the past 5 years. Okay, so for that we need to prepare one table which consists of 4 columns. First column is year. Okay, so year, sales, gross profit and rate of gross profit. See, we already know that formula. The formula is rate of gross profit is equals to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. This is the formula to find out rate of gross profit. Okay, so now we'll start with 2015-16. Okay, in that year 8,60,000 is the sales, 2,15,000 is the gross profit. And if we apply as a formula, gross profit is 2,15,000 and sales is 8,60,000. So that 2,15,000 divided by 8,60,000 into 100, you will get 25% as a rate of gross profit. In the same way, we need to find out the gross profit ratio for each and every preceding previous years. If we consider 16-17, so 2,13,000 is the gross profit, 7,10,000 is the sales. So 2,13,000 divided by 7,10,000 into 100, we will get a 30%. Next year we will get 33.33%. Next year 34%, and previous year 33.33% is the rate of gross profit. Okay, now the situation is like, so we have calculated past 5 years rate of gross profit. Then we need to go with the preparation of memorandum of trading account. So we can't calculate gross profit based on all 5, we can't apply this all 5 rate of gross profits or different rate of gross profits. So that we need to find one average gross profit ratio. Average gross profit ratio. How you can find that average rate of gross profit? In the sense, average rate of gross profit is equals to totals of all 5 years rate of gross profit. Total it. So you will get 155.66% divided by how many years are there? 5. So that we have mentioned 5. So 155.66, that is 155.66 is the totals of this 5 years rate of gross profit. Divided 5, that is 5 years. So you will get a rate of gross profit that is 31.132%. 31.132% is the rate of gross profit. Okay, that is an average rate of gross profit. Yes. So now we can go with the step number 3, that is preparation of memorandum of trading account. See, this memorandum of trading account is to be prepared to find out the closing stock, that is stock on date of fire in the premises of a company. Okay, so what sort of stock is there as a closing stock? So that should be calculated. So for that we need to prepare memorandum of trading account. See, now memorandum of trading account. Okay, so here, so memorandum of trading account from 1/4/2020 to the date of fire. Okay, yes. So here is the memorandum of trading account. See, opening stock, as I said, closing stock for the previous year is given, that should be considered as opening stock. So same is recorded, 97,000. And next, purchases is given 75,000, wages 30,000, and gross profit we have calculated based on sales. So sales, that is 1,59,000. So based on this sales and average gross profit ratio, we got gross profit that is 49,500. And next, if you total it, So we got 2,51,500 as the highest amount. So we have recorded same amount both the sides, and we got balancing figure as a stock on date of fire, that is 92,500 is considered as closing stock or stock on date of fire. Okay, so next we'll move on to the next step, that is calculation of actual loss of stock. Calculation of actual loss of stock, it is very simple. First we have to consider stock on date of fire. So stock on date of fire is 92,500. In that we have to deduct salvaged goods. So salvaged goods, in the question they have given 8,000 rupees. 8,000 rupees worth goods is saved along with some records. So amount is considered 8,000 salvaged goods. And next, fire extinguish expenses should be add back, but fire extinguish expenses is not given, so that we have mentioned nil. And next you will get actual loss of stock. So 92,500 minus 8,000, we got 84,500 as a actual loss of stock. Okay, so this is the actual loss of stock. And next we will go with the ascertainment of claim amount. See, in the question, then nowhere they mentioned about policy amount, right? See, the problem does not provide any information about the policy amount. Nowhere they mentioned a policy amount. Okay, so that the amount of claim will be the same as amount of loss. See, what sort of stock is been destroyed, or what sort of stock is actually lost due to a fire accident, that should be considered as claim amount. Why? Because the policy amount or average clause is not mentioned in the question. Whenever the policy amount is not mentioned in the question, that should be considered as over insurance. In case of over insurance, actual loss of stock will be the claim amount. So here, therefore, the amount of claim will be 84,500. That is, actual loss of stock will be the claim amount. Okay, so this is how we find the claim amount, that is 84,500. See, in this question we have calculated average rate of gross profit based on gross profit ratio of past few years, and then we have prepared memorandum of trading account. In that we found stock on date of fire. Then we have calculated actual loss of stock in the step number 4, and policy amount is not given in the question, so that we consider actual loss of stock as a claim amount, that is 84,500. Hope you understood. Thank you all. If it is possible, do share this video with your friends and colleagues, and like and comment. Thank you all, and Jai Shri Gurudev.